Oh, I'm so sorry. I wasn't paying attention.
No, it's my fault. I was distracted too.
Are you okay? Did you get hurt?
I'm fine, thank you. How about you?
I'm good, thanks. I hope your phone is not broken.
It seems to be working. What about yours?
It's okay. It has a protective case.
That's good. I'm sorry again for bumping into you.
Don't worry about it. It happens.
By the way, I'm Mark. I'm a student here.
Nice to meet you, Mark. I'm Lisa. I'm a student here too. What is your major?
My major is chemistry. What about you?
My major is French. I love languages.
That's awesome. What year are you in?
I'm in my 3rd year.
You must be speaking French very well then. I love languages, but it's so difficult to learn them.
Well, to learn a new language effectively, you need time and effort. If you don't give it time, it will be very difficult.
You are definitely right.
Well, I've got to go. It was nice talking to you.
Nice talking to you too. Bye.
Bye.
How was your day at work?
It was good. I had a productive meeting with a client and closed a deal. We're talking at least $100,000.
Wow, that's awesome. Congratulations. How do you manage to always get high-paying clients?
Well, you know, I work at a highly reputed company and we invest a lot of money in advertising. Also, our track records are outstanding. These are some of the reasons of our success.
Good marketing is the key to the success of a company. Your boss is a genius.
I know, right? And you? How was your day?
It was okay. I finally finished my report and submitted it to my boss. It took me forever to complete it.
Yeah, you told me about that infamous report. I'm glad you finished it. Your coworker will stop nagging you about it now.
Say that again. I can breathe now.
Well done. I'm sure your boss will appreciate your hard work.
I hope so. He's very demanding and expects a lot from me.
Don't worry. You're doing a great job. You should be proud of yourself.
Thank you.
What a wonderful lecture. I love geography.
Me too. And the professor is an expert at teaching it.
Professor Johnson is so good. He makes you travel without money.
I thought it was the internet that did that.
Well, learning about other countries does the same. I don't know about you, but I learned so many things about the world with Professor Johnson than anywhere else. I wish I could travel to those countries.
Speaking of traveling, where are you guys going for your vacation?
This year, I'm going to Japan. I'm a big fan of their culture and history. I want to visit Tokyo for the first time in my life. If I have some time left, I will visit Osaka and Hiroshima as well. I hope it will be a wonderful experience.
Good for you. Last year, I visited Portugal. It was a memorable experience. I made a few friends, and we still keep good contact up to this day. This year, I want to go to Brazil.
You definitely love Lusophone countries.
Yes, that is a fact. I also speak Portuguese, so that is another reason.
Brazil is an amazing country. I've been there before. You will enjoy it.
I'm looking forward to the trip already.
That's great. And you, Tony, where are you going this year?
Unfortunately, I'm not going anywhere this year. My dad and mom decided that during this summer, they will celebrate their 20th wedding anniversary outside the US. They're going to France. I will be stuck at home to take care of my siblings.
Too bad. At least you should be happy for your parents. 20 years of marriage is a very long time.
Yeah.
Hi, David. How are you today?
Hi, Lucy. I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm fine, too. Just a bit tired because of all the homework I had to do. And yet, I'm still left with a lot more to do.
I know, right? Hopefully I will be done with mine tomorrow.
Good to hear. By the way, we are going to celebrate my little sister's birthday at home. My mom said, I can invite my friends too. Do you want to join us?
Of course. When will it take place?
It will take place on November 18th.
Wow, that's close. How old is she? And what does she like? I don't want to come there empty-handed.
That's kind of you. She is 11, and she loves games, like Lego and Monopoly. She also loves dolls, but you can get her anything you want. She will surely like it.
Oh, okay. I was thinking of bringing a...
A what?
It's a secret. If I tell you, it won't be interesting anymore. Let it remain a big surprise.
But I want to know. I won't tell her. I promise.
Bye. See you next week.
But